I picked up this anchor at the Dollar Tree. These shapes are very difficult to go and do like poly mesh. You lose the shape. So this is what I did with mine. I found this string. It's less than a rope, but more than just a little string. It's white and it is also at the Dollar Tree. It's like a packaging type string. And I did the hot glue all around the edges and I outlined the entire shape with the string. Just by going around, adding the hot glue and laying the string down. Once I outlined the entire anchor, I went and did the interior portion with the string. Now, the end of each section, I just wrapped the end of the string around towards the back and put a little bit of glue. And that's how I ended my lines. Once that was complete, I found this rope also at the Dollar Tree. Mine was navy, two-toned, and you can get it in the red two-toned. And I outlined the entire outside in this rope. I really like the combination of how all this kind of pulled together. And again, I just ran the glue and outlined the exterior portion of the frame. The string was more on the top portion of the rails. This is more on the side of the rail. So you can see both. Now at this point you can decorate your anchor however you wish. I decided to go very simple. I just took another anchor that I found at the Dollar Tree, kind of put it on a angle. I first tied it to one of the rails and then glued it. But you could do shells. They have some cute signs. The key is you want to be able to maintain seeing the shape of the anchor. And I felt like this did that. And that's it. It was very, very simple to pull together. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.